Hi everyone! Direk, Sue, and Diego, congratulations dito sa bago niyong movie. Siguro yung first question ko ay para kay Sue at kay Diego. This is your second time working together, no? So, having said that, how's the dynamics now compared to the first time you've been together? Mas mature na ba yung characters at yung atake niyo dito compared sa una yung pagsasama? How's the working relationship now?
Hello, ayun. Definitely, iba na talaga yung panahon. Pero what's good about working with Diego, ano ba yun? The good thing po about working with Diego is, nakatrabaho ko na siya before. We co-hosted ASAP Chill Out together for a couple of years. Medyo mahaba yung panahon. So every time that we see each other, pareho lang, parang walang nagbabago talaga. Parang yung friendship namin, ganun pa din. Parang we still talk the same, kukulitan pa rin kami. So yun yung maganda. About the characters naman, yeah, ibang-iba talaga to from the last film that we did. Medyo mas wholesome kasi yung pelikula na yung How to Love Mr. Heartless, also by Viva. Kung mapapanood niyo po nasa Prime Video siya, ibang-iba talaga yung story niya from in between. And yes, totoo po, nag-mature talaga yung characters namin. I think we were portraying college students nung huling film na ginawa namin.
Diego?
Yeah, I'd say the same. Aside from ASAP Chill Out, well, we were in a bunch of series then together. So, since bata, I guess we were kids. Yeah, we were younger, a lot younger. We were always the love triangles of Disken, Katniel. So, tagal namin magkasama ni Sue. So, I feel really comfortable working with her. Sana nga dito yung last, maybe, di ba? So, it's always something to look forward to when I'm working with Sue. And the first time working with Direk Gino naman, sana nga talaga, there will be another, not just this one. The characters are definitely different because they're older and this is more about love. Mr. Heartless naman wasn't specifically about finding a partner. Yeah, it's mas family-oriented siya. And this one I think is swak na swak sa edad namin ngayon sa buhay. Ito talaga mga pinagdadaanan ng mga 30s, late 20-year-olds and swak na swak sa akin din. So yeah, I hope I answered your question.